Okay, this is the solutions video for the assignment that I gave you, Avery. Hope you were able to figure it out. I'm recording this before I get the assignment from you, so we'll see how it goes. Here's what we have to do. First of all, we start off in the same manner as we did before with an arbitrary line into which we create a line segment with the compass. So that has not changed. We can have a dot right here, and that'll be the start of everything that we do. So we can figure out where we want the line segments. They can be any size as long as both of them, of course, are the same on both sides. So I guess I got to take this off to make it work. That'd be helpful. Okay, so we strike an arc on the line here, and then we do the same thing on the other side so that we've got this. Then we choose an arbitrary mount as long as it's bigger in this situation here, and then I can strike an arc above my dot. I'm actually going to make it a little bit bigger so it just is simpler. Okay, as long as they're both the same. So I want an arc above the dot and an arc below the dot. Do the same thing on this side over here, and this is what we went through before. So that gives us the beginning of our segment, because now we can connect these two arcs here through the center dot. Make sure I get on the right one here. And if I have done that correctly, then this, oh, I've got the wrong one, excuse me. There we go. This should slide right in here into any of these spaces as a 90-degree angle, and as you can see, it does. And of course it can work on any of these places because they're all equal to one another. So I have a 90-degree angle right here created with the compass. Check with my thing. Okay, your assignment was to create a 45 out of this. So here you begin with a line segment, you draw a line here, creates it. So now you have to be able to produce a 45, which would be a line going through one of these things at a 45-degree angle that can be checked. All right, so to do that, the solution for that is to actually go back to the main thing where your arc is the same, and then you have to put an arc on both sides of this thing here, starting with one here, and then coming out over here like this, and then doing the same thing on this side here, and come all the way around. I didn't make my arc long enough. I'll have to redo that. See if I can get it as exact as I possibly can. Like that. So then, in the same manner, I simply take this and connect my arcs where my arcs intersect. And if I did that right, then this square that I have here, or this protractor and everything, as you can see, these are 45-degree angles. So it's a 90 and 45. So I should be able to slide this right up in here, just like that. And as you can see, it perfectly fits. Okay, so that's how we do it. Now, if you look at this, the reason why this is kind of important is because as we did in this situation where we had an arbitrary amount out here and struck these arcs, you know, so that these created that kind of Venn diagram concept. The same is true here, except the arcs we put, the circles that we put, would all be down over here on this side, on this outside. We anchor them in our original points, and so that's why you can do all kind of funky geometrical things with a compass. You can create flowers and all kinds of things. I don't know if you've ever done that, but it's kind of interesting. You can start with an arbitrary circle, change the diameter, change the radius of that, and then you can strike all kinds of things. So here's the solution to the assignment. This is how you should do it. I hope you were able to figure all this stuff out and to make this work. We're going to talk about some more things. I'm going to put another video up. It's going to be for the lesson today, so you can do that. I'll put this solution up after I've heard from you.